In this video, we will show how to make AND, OR, and NOT logic gates using a breadboard, ICs, and LED. Did you know? Logic gates are crucial because they are the fundamental building blocks of all digital electronics, enabling them to perform calculations, make decisions, and process information. They act as the basic thinking components in devices, transforming binary inputs into a single output based on simple logical rules, which is how modern computers, smartphones, and other electronics function. Breadboard. A breadboard is a base for building and prototyping electronic circuits. The IC7408 is a quad, 2-input, and gate logic chip. The IC7432 is a quad, 2-input, or gate logic chip. The IC7404 is a hex inverter logic chip. Jumper wires are cables that connect components on a breadboard. LED is a semiconductor that emits light. Resistors used to resist the flow of electrical current. Power supply, it is used to power the circuit. Put the IC on the middle of the breadboard. Put the wires as shown in the video. Put the LED a little away from the IC. Make sure that the longer leg is the one closer to the IC, and the shorter leg is the one who is away. Connect the black wire to the third pin of the IC and connect it next to the longer leg of the LED. This black wire serves as output C. Then connect the resistor just next to the shorter leg. This green wire serves as input A. While this white wire serves as input B. Now connect the power lines. Then connect the power supply.
The green wire indicates input A and the white wire indicates input B. The black wire shows the output C. Now let's try input A as 0 and input B as 1. As you can see, the LED is still off as shown as the output of the truth table. Next is input A as 1 and input B as 0 and the output of it is still 0. Now let's try them both at high voltage that makes the LED light up.
This shows that you'll only have an output when both of them are at high voltages. The wiring layouts are the same, just change the previous IC into IC7432.
Next is OR gate. As you can see, we have an output of 0 or no voltage. Let's try input A as 0 and input B as 1. As you can see, the output is 1. Next, 1 and 0. The output is still 1 and the LED still lights up. Lastly, let's try both of them at high voltage or 1 and 1. You can see that the output is still 1 and the LED still lights up. If there's no input that has no voltage, the output will be 0. As long as there is one input that has high voltage, the output will be 1.
So for the NOT gate, we'll only use input A and output C. As you can see, the input A as 0 have an output of 1. And input A as 1 have an output of 0. This means that the IC7404 simply inverts the input.